Hello there everybody, Cell Doctor here again. I found myself needing to make this video to teach my 15-year-old a lesson. My 15-year-old has an Apple iPhone XR that has a cracked screen that I replaced for him 3-4 times before in maybe the past year alone, and decided to be a smart guy, a funny guy, and show his friends how he can get his phone replaced. This is the state of his phone now. All it needed was a screen. Now the whole phone, the entire phone is shattered, front and back. And I find myself needing to make a F around and find out teachable video. He thought he was gonna get another phone. Because you know, he's the youngest of 5 and he's spoiled. And spoiled more from his mom than his dad. With his dad, he's gonna F around and find out that yeah, I'm gonna fix his phone. I'm gonna fix him too. This is going to be his next phone. I want to see him show this off to his friends in high school. He effed around and about to find out from his dad that you don't F around with me. This is what you get when you F around with your dad. Get a job and pay me to fix your phone, or you could pay me for another phone. At a discounted price, I'll take care of you. Don't worry about it. You know, we're family after all, right? Anyway, this is how I teach my kids a lesson. Everybody have a great day, and thanks for watching.